You may have dreamed of becoming a pilot or have a deep desire to design and build your very own flying vehicle. Now you can do both, as I'll be showing you how to design, build and fly your very own aeroplane made out of paper. The first thing that you'll need in order to build your custom aeroplane is a tree. Once you have a tree, you can hack away at it with an axe, and then you should get some bark out of that. With the bark, just use some chemical engineering and then it should transform directly into paper. I used some chemical engineering earlier and now I have a piece of paper. Now you're probably wondering, is my aeroplane ready to fly yet? No. So what you're going to want to do is to fold one of the edges, just like this. Make a nice good fold here, like that. And you can fold the other side as well, why not? I'm just folding this. And now you should have your aeroplane, which is almost finished, but there's a few more final touches that you'll need to do. And that involves folding this end like this. Just like that. And then this end as well, to do the same on the other side. That. Now, once you've done this, it's very important to test the plane to see how it flies every step of the way, because then you can see if you're progressing with the construction. So we'll just see if this flies good. We'll just do another test run. That one didn't fly so good. One more for luck. No, I think it needs a bit more work. So from here, what you're going to want to do is to fold the paper in half, like this. And then smooth out the creases, like that. And then you're going to want to fold this like this. And then you've got like a half section there. And then do the same on the other side, like this. Now, you're going to want to try and throw the plane right now to see if it's any good or not. Otherwise, you might need to make some more amendments. So let's see now. Well, it flew in the direction that I wanted it to go, but it just didn't have the height. It didn't stay in the air for that long. And the reason for that was because you need to add the final step, which of course is to add the pilot who will control and fly the plane all over the place. So I'll just add that on now for you. There we go. So we now have a qualified pilot, so he should be able to fly the plane for us. So here is the final design of the plane. As you can see, it is very streamlined. It's perfect for flight. It has a pilot which will fly the plane, and there's probably some fuel in there as well, and that will help to keep the plane in the air for many, many hours. So I think we're ready to take off now. Let's see how good this plane really is. Okay, right. Pilot, you ready? Yes, pilot's ready. So here goes. Oh my god. It's crashed. Don't believe it. I can't believe the pilot's crashed the plane. I didn't design you so that you just fly straight into the wall like that. You're supposed to steer the plane. What were you doing? That's coming out of your wages. Unfortunately, because the plane crashed, there was huge structural damage done to the plane, as you can see. So this will need to be rectified before we fly the plane again. Okay, I think that's done it. Okay, so now we're ready for the plane to fly once more. This time, the pilot has assured me that he's not going to crash into the wall, otherwise there will be severe consequences. So let's fly the plane now. Here goes. You're fired. And that's how to build and fly your very own paper plane. You'll soon be ready to fly a metal plane after that. When you do move on to the metal plane, just try not to fly into any walls. In fact, it'll probably be a bit better to fly the plane outside, and then you won't have to worry about the walls so much. There's less walls outside. I wish you the best of luck flying your aeroplane. Hopefully it won't take you that long to learn how to do it. If you follow these instructions, then you should be flying your plane in well under 4 or 5 years. So best of luck with your attempts. I'm going to go now and continue flying my plane. Now that there's no pilot, the plane should fly straight into the stratosphere. So, see you. Okay, here goes. Crashed again. Damage caused. Too much. Can't keep replacing the plane, it costs too much.